It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, back again with another Saturday garden story update. And today I'm just sharing with you my bell pepper plant. And if it looks fuzzy, that's because you're looking through the screen. There go the bell pepper. See, it got bigger. What is it? 1, 2, 3. It is a bell pepper plant. And it's a bunch of white buds on it still. Growing, blooming, so it's gonna be quite a few bell peppers on this bell pepper tree. And those other leafy looking branch things lower, those are 2 lemon trees. Never looked like that. That's what that, when I changed the soil, it really helped. And this is a success story that I'm sharing. Healthy, thriving, growing bell pepper, lemon plant, other stuff up in there. And what is a disaster today is my doggone collard green plant. I moved it, and cause look at how it looks. The worms ate most of my leaves up. Isn't it awful? I think them dang worms live in that soil. Well, I don't. The reason why I say that because on my limb, on this planter here, where I'm growing this beautiful, thriving bell pepper plant. Before the bell pepper plant was in there, it was just a lemon trees. And one day I was watering it, and it was a big old, huge, gigantic, I mean gigantic, big as a Vienna sausage. Let me say well, not quite as big as a Vienna sausage. Let's say half the size of a Vienna sausage. But it was huge. I think what y'all call them grubs. I bet a chicken would have loved to have that for a snack. I killed that big joker, and it might be them dang white butterflies lay them dang worm eggs in my stuff. I haven't seen the white moth lately, but the damage is done when you look at the collard greens. They've been around, I just ain't seen them. Because my collard greens have been eaten up. I don't know, I guess I'll clean that up. I did take a couple of leaves off that had worms on them and got rid of that, but so far I can see on my bell pepper plant a couple of leaves munched on. And if I find a worm on the leaf, I can get rid of it. But another disaster is my, you can see it right there. That dead looking plant, that was my mint. Beautiful, healthy mint. I forgot to water it, and it dried up. And I need to not grow mint in this clay pot. I need to grow it in a different pot, because this clay pot, it dries the soil out fast. And the mint, they gotta stay moist all the time, because mint don't like to be dry. As you can see, it completely died. And I'm hoping something will come back. I think I threw some more seeds in there. It was a little seeds left in the packet. Hopefully it'll come back. So two dead plants, one dead plant, one destroyed plant, and one plant. My bell pepper doing good, it's thriving. So that's what I want to share. Don't forget to go and visit the participants that I advertised their channel in the beginning of the video. Go and check them out. Go support, subscribe, watch their videos and all that good stuff. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification, thumbs up, comment, all that good, share, all that good support. And that's it, that's all, that's everything that I'm just sharing today. What's making it and what ain't making it. Don't forget, I got my grocery channel. Don't forget, I got my crafting channel. If you want to check it out, click on those links on this channel. Take you right there. If you like crafting creations, I got plenty of them, so go over there and check it out. Okay, that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.